Daniel?
I think it's come a long way.
Hello, and welcome back. I'm black belt with a red stripe. Or am I a red belt with a black stripe? Today, we got some cool stuff to put on. And as you can see, we got the tint on too, because in Minnesota it's sunny all the time. It's just sunny 24/7 here. We're gonna do some little accessories, I guess you could say, to this thing.
So first, the new front splitter, a Chewy box.
Poor man's creature. So this stuff is easy
lip.
Easy lip. So this is what you'll see. This is the sticky part. Just has some like 3M tape on it, double-sided tape.
Yeah.
And it just goes right on the pinch weld. It makes it look pretty sweet. Jeremy, you have it on your car.
Yeah, I've had it on my car for like 4 years,
I know,
and it's still
really
like perfect. It
It hasn't peeled or nothing.
Nothing.
Wow, this stuff is super sticky.
It comes with 3M adhesive, so it better work.
So I'm just setting the top of it right up against the body. Thanks, China.
And that's it.
It's been 2 minutes and it's on. So you can't really see it that well, but it looks good from where I'm standing. Oh, Simply rip, stick, and enjoy.
And go.
Oh.
I'm afraid to get my fingers stuck to this.
Is it like a rat trap sticky?
Yeah. It's
Nice.
crazy.
Skirt! Yeah, that looks good.
Straight.
Oh yeah. Literally, skirt.
This is the cheapest part that I think I got for this thing, and I'm most excited for it. Let's see if these fit. Did I order the right size? Yes.
So you have the stickers then, right?
Yes. But I can only get the stickers in one size, so let's see how this looks on here. Oh, spacers too.
Oh, those came? Good, so now we don't have to rock the frickin'... Oh yeah. Dude, those are sick.
But these are 62s or 63 mils, and these are 68. So.
Well, that's okay. You just center it, and then it'll be all good. Or you offset it in there, so it looks really funny.
I'm excited for these. So
it's the small stuff.
Yeah, I am unreasonably excited for these. Considering what else we got, I just hate no center caps. It's the worst look.
I'm gonna go take a picture of your car. No center caps. It's the worst look. Just you roll. One.
No center
I know, that's even worse. You're so happy.
I wish these were bigger so they actually fit. Kind of looks stupid.
No, it doesn't. It looks fine. I don't think anybody's gonna look that hard, except for you, and you're always gonna know. That's so much better. It really is the little things.
No rust hole now.
No rust holes.
Dang. Damn, Daniel. Yeah, you can't tell that they don't fit from here, can you?
No, not at all.
Dang.
If we take the front bumper off, should we just do the
Splitter?
The splitter? At least we could chalk it out. Like an idiot. Is it better now?
Oh yeah, we added brake fluid. We could make this into a hybrid. Like we could make it front wheel drive with a Predator engine or something.
With a Predator?
Yeah, I mean, that's all you need, right? You always forget that's 3,000 pounds.
Yeah.
That's a lot of pounds.
It is a lot of pounds. It's heavy. It's a big little car.
Oh yeah, wheel spacers too.
Oh yeah.
It came as a pack of 4, so it's like,
Dude, it's gonna have some extra stance.
But do you think we need it in the back?
If we got them, we might as well use them. And if we're putting the fender flares on, we're gonna need as much girth as we can get.
Looks like it's a pit bull electric truck. Whoa. I don't know what I thought that was. Hey, what are you doing here? Where'd you come from?
What you mean? We ain't from nowhere. What you mean?
Whoa.
You better take these off before they fall off.
Nobody knows.
Nobody has to know. Won't end well. For the windshield and my forehead. Good thing this thing has airbags.
That's a joke. It doesn't have airbags at all. There's 0 airbags. It's surprising how it weighs that much with,
Next to nothing.
yeah, no
Safe.
amenities. So you know what that tells you?
Super safe.
Airbags weigh nothing. Heck yeah, dude.
Look at that.
Would you look at that? Would you just look at it? What is this? Just do a gigantic splitter like that. Oh.
The splitter. When you buy one, it's like already shaped. This, we gotta like shape it. And we got these cool supports.
Did you fart, bro?
Yeah, did you walk through it?
Oh my god, I can taste it. It tastes like a Hawaiian sweet roll.
So we got the splitter adjuster, or the spoiler adjuster. We're gonna make the splitter for this thing. We're gonna mark it out, cut it, and then we're gonna put some door hinges on it.
What? Actually?
Yeah, I think so. I think door hinges will work good for the pivot point, but I mean, how else are you gonna attach it back here?
Just drill through the bumper. You could do rivets.
Maybe we won't use door hinges.
No, I don't want to use door hinges.
All right, rivets it is. And press it must be. Ooh.
She's leaking. Oh, look at the curly Q coming off of that thing.
Don't break it.
What?
Oh, one
Dude,
big curly.
we're gonna make a new keychain for the keys with that thing. Should put that on the back of your hat.
Look at my rat tail. Okay, let's cut this.
We should make it really sharp so if we run into somebody, we cut their legs off.
Yeah.
That's nice. It's good size.
It's gonna be.
I don't know if we're gonna need the frickin' supports. I don't know if they're even gonna work. You'd have to get it go. Yeah. It's gonna
Now, how about now?
sit back. As far as it possibly can go backwards is where it's gonna have to be.
Oh. Right there.
Getting it ready for a rivet. I'm glad we decided rivets and not door hinges.
I don't rivet many things, obviously. I don't have the best rivet gun, but it shall do, I'm sure.
That's a rivet.
That's gonna hold really nice. I put a little washer on it too.
Did you?
Yeah, see?
Test fit looks good. Yeah, maybe. What's up? Oh, there's a little bug.
He's chilling on it and he wants to go on the... Alright, time to go.
Dude, it looks so good with the side skirt stuff. It makes those stand out now. Because you're like looking for the next body piece on the bottom.
So this is, what is it, Vivid?
Yeah, vivid.
I've got this stuff before, but never in yellow.
Vivid. Yeah, so if you want good tint for cheap, get this stuff.
Clean, apply.
It's the small stuff.
Cool.
Man. Oh, this looks good.
Looking pretty good. Not bad for a golf cart.
Well, I think it's come a long way. It's beautiful.
That idle too.
Yeah. Dude, sick lope tune on this thing. It screams performance.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna try to take off this bumper because it's huge and ugly and probably weighs like 40 pounds. And that will help with the ride probably, maybe not.
That's tightening. So in order to take a bolt off, you gotta loosen it. I should really be wearing safety glasses.
Do you want a pair? I can get you some.
I'm a man.
But to be a blind man, I don't know if that changes your mind.
I can work my eyes shut.
Yeah. Just a car on top of you. You just closed your eyes and opened your mouth real wide. What the hell was that? These bolts are made of plastic, perhaps?
It was giving me a little bit of a fight,
I guess. Cheap steel. Well, you hurt your back?
No, I hurt my finger.
Oh. That's the worst. There's always something to lean on.
There's all I lean on. Oh.
Just break off.
This is what I needed the hammer for. I knew I was going to need the hammer. Oh. How much does this weigh, too?
I don't know, probably 50 pounds.
I thought it would weigh more than this, actually.
They say don't lift up on the bottom of differentials. They didn't say anything about electric motors.
You're not wrong.
Ow! No way did that just happen.
What'd you do? Oh, we got a gusher. Is that your skin?
That looks cool. Little things make a big difference. We did the side skirts, the center caps, tint, removed the rear bumper, put on the front spoiler, and changed around some lights, and this thing looks frickin' awesome. I think next time we'll do some fender flare stuff and then take the Barbie Jeep on a rip. It's a good time of year. The trails are untouched for the most part, around here anyway. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the truck content, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.